Hi everyone, my name is Louise Tampoc. I am a lawyer here at Laws and Beyond. I will be giving information on how to get divorced here in Calgary and the grounds in getting divorced. Here in Calgary and the whole of Alberta, there is a residency requirement for you or your spouse of at least 1 year before divorce proceeding can be commenced. There are 3 grounds in getting divorced. First, if you have lived separate and apart from each other for at least 1 year. Second, if your spouse committed adultery. This means that your spouse had sexual intercourse with someone else. Third, if your spouse was mentally or physically cruel to you, making it impossible to continue the marriage. Now, you do not need to hire a lawyer to represent you, but it is strongly advised that you hire a family lawyer because there are many important decisions that must be made concerning your children, family property, and financial support. If you and your spouse agree on these important decisions, you will still need a lawyer to prepare the documents concerning these decisions, and you will require an independent legal advice from a lawyer for this agreement to be binding. Now, steps to get divorced. A statement of claim for divorce. This is the first form to fill out when filing for divorce, depending on whether or not you have children or whether family property is involved. You will need to use different forms. The spouse who is filing for divorce is called the plaintiff, and the other spouse is called the defendant. Now, the defendant must be served with a statement of claim when it is filed. The defendant, who is a resident of Alberta, has 20 days after receiving the statement of claim to file his or her response. If the defendant is outside Alberta but within Canada, he has 1 month to respond. If the defendant is served outside Canada, the defendant has 2 months to respond. Now, if the parties can agree to the divorce terms, or if the defendant has been noted in default, meaning the defendant does not respond to the statement of claim within the allotted time, then the plaintiff can proceed filing the other necessary divorce documents with the court, and depending on your situation. Now, the justice will sign the divorce judgment if he or she is satisfied with the documents and the facts offered. You must wait 30 days after the divorce judgment is obtained for the divorce to take full effect. After that, you can request from the court or ask the court for a certificate of divorce, which is the final document in the divorce action. Now, if you're going through a divorce, speak with a divorce lawyer at the firm Laws and Beyond to learn more about your options. Thank you.